Morning, students. I hope all of you fit and fine at your home and your study going well. Student, today we will discuss about the topic solute, solvent and solution. What is the solutes and solvent and solution? Today we will study about these. Okay, just like the substance solid which is dissolve just like the sugar is called the solute. Okay, and the liquid such as the water in which the solute is dissolved is called solvent. Homogeneous mixture we get by dissolving solute in solvent is called solution, sweet water. Okay, clear? And in same condition, students, add a spoonful of sugar in glass of water, stir it well, and the particles of the sugar will disappear. Why these particles are disappear? Because these particles take place in the intramolecular space. They happen because the molecules of sugar occupies the intramolecular space in water. Okay, the volume and appearance of the water in glass remains same. Volume doesn't increase the volume of water. Why? Because the sugar particles take place between the intramolecular space. So volume is same. Volume and appearance of the water in the glass remains same. However, its taste becomes sweet. Many solids such as the salt, sugar dissolve in water in such a case. That which solid dissolve in water? The solid is called solute. Solid is called solute. And in which liquid the solute is dissolved? Maybe the water, oil or milk. That liquid is called solvent. After that, which water, just like a sweet water, salty water we get, that is called solution. Okay, in such case the solid that dissolve in liquid called the solute. Always remember this. Okay, solid, any solid, maybe the sugar or salt or any other, the liquid in which the solid dissolve is called solvent, which is the medium in which the solid dissolve, that is called solvent. The liquid which we get when the solid dissolve in the solvent is called solution. Now is it clear? Solute, solid is called solute which dissolve in water, okay, or liquid. Solvent, the water and milk, oil, any liquid in which the solid is the dissolved, that is called solvent. And after that, the liquid which we get when the solute dissolve in solvent is called solution. Okay, for example, just like the salt dissolve in water to form the salt solution, here the salt is the solute and water is the solvent and salt water is the solution. Okay, salt plus water, salt here the solute and water is solvent. After that we got the salty water, that is the solution. It is the solution. Is it clear? Okay, let's stop today's class here. Student, read the chapter properly and learn the book exercise. Okay, thank you. God bless you.